Hello everyone, welcome to Fvr-Multi. In today's video tutorial, I am going to show you guys how to stream on YouTube using Streamlabs. Let's see the video. Now open the browser and go to YouTube live dashboard. Open first one. This is the live dashboard. Now we have to set thumbnail and title, stream description and category and privacy option. Once again check all the details. Then open the Streamlabs. Click login with YouTube and sign in with your Gmail account. Some of the widgets are given. If you want to choose any of them. Alert box show the real-time subscriber and chat box show them live comments, and then click start now option. Now your screen is captured. Then click red icon button. Click stream games and choose persistent option. Now you are in live. Thank you for watching guys.